$10,000 per month with ClickBank affiliate marketing. Now, this video is going to be very short because I don't want to waste your time. I want to get straight to the point. I'm not a YouTuber, and many guys on YouTube are showing you how to make money with ClickBank, affiliate marketing, and so on and so forth, without mentioning what it actually takes, which is deeper layer of psychological efforts and marketing. Because no one actually tells you, right? It doesn't really matter. Are you on TikTok ads, Google ads, or YouTube ads? The thing is, it's about the product, the offer, being high quality, understanding who is your audience on a deeper level, right? When you're writing ads, you have to understand who is your audience. Males, females. Okay. What are the 4 main points of those emotional levels? Low emotional states, high emotional states. Where exactly is your audience at when they see your ad? Because Facebook ad, the ads in general, right? Ads in general are what? Vehicle. Like a car, vehicle. Vehicle of content in front of the eyeballs of the audience. Now, if you're writing ads for females or if you're writing ads for males, the language patterns are going to be different. I know none of the YouTubers are sharing this stuff with you because they don't know or understand deeper layers, psychology of marketing. Now, you don't have to know this, but once you decide now to start having results, to start making money, to start traveling around the world, you don't have to quit your job. You can do it on the side. You just need 20 to 30 minutes per day doing this without showing your face on any videos or camera, right? Promoting everyday products on ClickBank, weight loss supplements. But you do need someone who can help you one-on-one, step-by-step along the way and hand-holding you. Why? Because in 2025, you cannot just buy a course for $3,000, $4,000 US and expect you're going to get great results. Why? Because in this course, probably, first of all, it used to work a year ago, or a few months ago, 6 months ago. As you know, everything is changing very fast, quickly. So, course is probably outdated. But of course, they don't tell you that before you buy. Second of all, there is no personal one-on-one support. When you're watching videos, maybe your layout is different on your Facebook ads. Maybe on TikTok is different layout. Because you are in Australia, someone is in India, or you're in US, Canada, doesn't matter. But maybe layout is different, maybe something is different, and there is no one to ask for help. The only way is to ask AI chatbot, which will take 7 to 14 days to answer you back. Because there are thousands of people who bought the course, same just like you. So if you want to have advantage, if you want to fast forward your results, then you should have someone who can help you one-on-one, step-by-step, and hand-holding you over the Zoom call. I don't know, connect 2 to 3 times per week so you can see exactly, I have a dating product, or maybe I'm having weight loss products. So you have to understand emotional states at the age level is also different. Females who are 18 to 25 years old, their mindset is different than the females who are 40 to 65 years old. So language pattern has to be different. The offer has to be different. I love to promote recurring products. It meaning products that pay monthly passive income, passive commissions on ClickBank. For example, if I'm promoting manifestation product, I know that next month I'm going to get another $50 per person. Okay? So it means that like if I have 100 sales this week, I'm making $5,000 to $7,000 in a week. I know next month I'm getting $7,000 to $10,000 in a week again from the same people, right? So that's why it's really important who you are listening to, who you are learning from. Now you don't have to spend months and months learning or years, no. Because if you want to fast forward results, you can model someone who is already where you want to be. Thanks to affiliate marketing, I was able to travel to over 60 countries, stay in some beautiful resorts all around the world. I always share on my Instagram, on my Facebook, where I travel to. Not to boast, not to brag, but to show you, to impress upon you what is possible once you dream and dare to take action. Okay? Because if you're making excuses, if you're saying, I don't have any money to invest in myself, you're telling your subconscious mind you don't deserve success, that you are not worthy, that you're not good enough, which is a big fat lie. You are worthy of success. I know that. You know that. Okay? Because there are people making money online with affiliate marketing. You know that. Right? They are making money. So why not you? You can take leverage of that, especially after COVID. Everyone is buying products online. So it really matters to understand, okay, I want to get started. All right, connect with someone who can help you one-on-one, not just sell you a course, but mentorship. Mentorship is different because it's personal relationship. You see, when you have personal relationship with someone, they can give you advice, they can give you connections with other people in affiliate marketing. You can know, okay, what mistakes to avoid in 2025, not 2023 or 24. Because most of gurus on ClickBank are selling you outdated courses. And then you sit at home, I don't know where, in Australia, US, India, wherever, UK, you're sitting at home watching those outdated videos 6 to 8 weeks usually, and wondering why you're not getting any kind of results. Because it's outdated. There is always some missing puzzle, right? And then your ad account gets shut down, you lost your ads get blocked or rejected, and you are stuck. You don't know where to go. Okay? So I know how you feel because I used to be at the same place, just like you watching this video right now. A few years ago, I was also struggling to make ends meet, but I did not give up. I took action. I invest some money in myself to get the results. And so can you watching this video right now. If you're really someone who is serious, and I know you are because you're watching this video, and if you finally want to get results in 2025 with affiliate marketing, working from home, let me know. There is my WhatsApp number. Yes, I'm giving you my personal WhatsApp number. Ask yourself, have you ever received anyone giving you personal cell phone number? Any of the guru on ClickBank before? Probably not, right? So I'm giving you that because I believe that personal relationships in 2025 will help you to have an additional edge, additional leverage to start actually connecting with people who are super affiliates, who are traveling around the world, who are making real money, real cash online, okay? Without having any kind of tech skill, without having to show your face on camera, okay? Faceless channels, making money online. So as you watch this video, let me know, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and let me know if you're really serious to start getting results in 2025.